right, everybody, in this video, I want to talk with you a little bit about what happens when a client says no. Why is this happening to you, okay? You're going to feel like, oh man, I'm a victim. What's going on? I'm going to share with you a couple tips to hopefully give you a little bit more perspective of what's going on. We're going to get under the hood a little bit of why clients tell you no and what's actually happening in this process, okay? Before we get going though, jasonfinalexpense.com, I partner with some of the most amazing agents on this planet to sell things like Medicare insurance and final expense life insurance and even mortgage protection insurance over the phone. If you need help, or even if you're trying to do this face-to-face, reach out. I'll help you in any way that I can, all right? So when a client tells you no, what is really happening, okay? Sometimes clients tell you no or put you off, say, I got to get back to you later, or let's talk tomorrow, or, you know, I just can't move forward right now, wink, wink, okay? Sometimes it really comes down to the fact that maybe they can't afford the policy that you're proposing, okay? Maybe it's just premium-based. Everybody's got a little pride, right? So your client may be in a position where they can't afford the offering, okay, the solution that you're bringing to the table. Maybe you just came in too high. Your ask was way too high, okay? When a client says no to you, it may just be a matter of price, okay? So if it's a matter of price, you want to kind of simmer that down and condense it to what the true objection is, okay? So it could be they're saying no to you because of price. Another way that, okay, maybe hitting you in the face with the no bus is maybe, just maybe, okay, that we didn't provide as agents enough value, okay? If you're not bringing enough value, okay, has to meet or exceed how much it costs, okay, for your goods. So if you bring more value than what the price point is, you have a good possibility, okay, to proceed and meet the need. But if your price is here and you went short on value, what it means to them, okay, the client's always going to tell you no, okay, because value didn't exceed price, okay? Anytime that value doesn't exceed price, you're always going to get told no, okay? You just are, and the no bus is no fun. You can get past this, you can get through this, okay? You've got to bring more value. You've got to think about it from the client's side of the table. You've got to be looking through their rose-colored glasses to help you as an insurance agent go from the no bus to the yes bus. Because let me tell you, the yes bus is amazing when you get through the no's. A lot of agents, they lose heart, okay? They lose hustle, they lose steam, and they lose that because they just failed to truly grasp the power, okay, of no. Okay? There is power in the word no. You've got to understand how to propel yourself from the no to the yes. You've got to have the art. Okay? It is an art. It's a learned skill set. You've got to learn how to transition. Okay? Transition the clients from the no to the yes. Okay? Or the no to maybe. Okay? And then get them to meet their needs through your products and your offerings. But sometimes it's price. Okay? Sometimes they don't buy from you because your price is too high, your premium is too much, okay? A quick solution to that is lower the dang premium, okay? Because everybody's got pride. Nobody wants to tell you, I can't afford this. Everybody's got pride, right? You've got pride, I've got pride, your clients have pride, your prospects have pride, okay? And so many agents in this space, whether you're selling Medicare insurance face-to-face or in the telespace or likewise with life insurance, the clients are not always going to just level with you. Okay, they're not going to say, you know what, it's the price. That's why I'm not moving forward. That's why I told you no. They're not going to tell you that. That's your job to be a good detective and ask the subtle questions, okay, to secure the sale for the consumer so that they can guard their family. The subtle questions are important. Bring value to them, okay? Bring massive levels of value that far exceeds the piddly price, okay, of the product, the solution that they need, okay? But another reason that maybe you get told no is maybe you rushed the putt. Just like in golf, okay? With golf, if you go fast, okay, you're going to rush the putt, you're going to shank it, it's going to go way past the hole, or maybe it's going to go way off course because you forced it. Sometimes us as insurance agents, right, can't we be guilty of this? We went too fast in the sales process. Maybe you went too fast in the warm-up with the home. Maybe if you were doing telesales, you went way too fast, okay, warming up with the consumer, and now you're in a position that you just, okay, are getting told no all the time. It's because they just don't trust you yet. They don't trust that you're doing what's in their best interest yet. It takes time. Relationships take time. The sales process also does take time. Now, there's different ways of handling a consumer. There's key metrics that you must know when you're doing telesales. There's key metrics that you must acquire. If you need help, reach out. I'll help you with this. But you've got to have your metrics in place, and those metrics have to be handled perfectly and appropriately. If not, you're going to get told no a lot, okay, because you didn't do certain things the right way. There is a method, just like when you're face-to-face in a home. There's a method on when you walk up to the front door and you just wave and smile as you walk up to the house. You don't even know if they're looking at you, but guess what? If somebody's looking at you through the blinds and then you're like smiling and waving, they're going to go, oh, whoa, they saw me, and now they're going to open up the door. That's what you do if you're a face-to-face agent when you start, okay, the process. And the process starts before you even get out of your car heading to the front door. There's techniques that I share with a lot of face-to-face agents to help them maximize opportunity. Make sure that you're maximizing the conversations. When you buy your leads, okay, you don't want to get told no. Who does, right? A lead is just an opportunity, remember this, to just have a conversation about the offering and the solutions that you can bring to make their lives better. Whenever you're getting told no, you've got to think to yourself, so what? So what? So what does this mean to the client? Did I bring the so what to the table? Did you bring so what to the table when you walked into the home, when you got on that phone? So what is your product or solution going to do? Not for you. What is your product going to do for them? You've got to get under the hood of yourself and your process if you want to really excel and get to that next level where you get away from the no's and you go to the close, okay? Where you're actually closing their need and their business. So many times you either went too fast, okay? You skipped steps, all right? You got to have good fundamentals. You've got to be using, if you're doing telesales, you've got to be using a proven power script, proven platforms, and you must not take shortcuts, okay? If you're getting told no a lot, ask yourself, are you following your fundamentals? Are you? Maybe you are, okay? And even the best agent will still get told no. But the best agents on the planet, let me tell you, they know how to transition from a no to a maybe to a yes in a sale, a completed need. They make those, okay, prospects their everything. They're laser focused on the prospect's acute need with their acute solution. That is phenomenal. They don't lose heart, okay? When they get told no, they smile through it. The power of this is big. Don't let the no's, okay, turn you away. Don't let the no's, okay, create a bad day for you. It's going to happen. If you've got good technique, if you've got good methods, if you know what you're doing, you've been properly trained, if you've got a good mentor in your life, you're going to know how to get through those no's because you're going to provide more value to your consumer, okay? You're going to not shortcut things. You're going to take the proven way, which may be a little longer than what you're used to. You're not going to skip steps, okay? You're not just going to be dealing with people that are just kicking tires and not buying cars. If you start taking shortcuts, you're going to get told no a lot because what's happening is you're not bringing full value to them. So guess what? If you don't bring full value and the price is here, they're going to go, nope, no thank you. If you bring a premium that's too much, okay, and they can't afford it, you're going to get told no. That's frustrating, right? Wouldn't you rather learn the easy way? Okay? Now, I'm not saying that the business is easy, but the methods are. This is a time-tested, noble profession. Bring massive levels of value. Be trained super well so that you bring massive levels of certainty to the consumer throughout the process. Make sure that you're partnering with the right companies as well so that you're putting the client in a really good place that you can help them and make it a premium that is awesome for them instead of pushing some expensive thing onto them. Nobody likes being pushed, right? Do you like being pushed into a product? No, you don't. Do you like being pushed into a higher premium? No, you don't. And we just said no twice. No, we don't, right? Your clients don't like that either. So look at this business through those rose-colored glasses of our sweet consumers that we help. Look at it from their perspective and kind of self-analyze. Ask yourself, am I pitching products that are too expensive for my consumers? Maybe that having anything to do with why I'm getting told no. Maybe you're getting told no because you're doing some things wrong, okay? Nobody likes being told to do stuff wrong, but let me tell you, a lot of times subtle things that you do that are just off kilter are going to cause you as an agent to get told no a lot. And you don't want to get told no more than you need. You want to be able to pierce through the objections, okay, and turn them into this true smoke screens that they are when you have high-end techniques. It's not hard. Once you understand it, it's no big deal. You tell me no, whoop, right through it, okay? You tell me it's too expensive, I know how to handle it because you've been trained. You've got to be able to be in a position where you bring massive, massive levels of value. But never forget, so what am I doing for the consumer? What are you doing for them? If you hang on to that little tip right there, and remember, so what does this do for the client? And if you let that, okay, the benefits, the value, the certainty that you bring to guard the family, meet the needs through your life insurance products, through your Medicare insurance products, through your long-term care insurance products, or even annuities, if you let that client know, so what this does for you is this, this, this. If you focus on the so what, you will start winning. You're going to get through the no's. You're going to start getting to your yeses. You've got to bring value to them. It's not about you. Okay? So what this means to you, Mrs. Johnson, is boom, 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 boom. Bring value. Bring value. Don't just bring a product. Okay? We're not some sleazy car salesman. We as insurance agents selling final expense or Medicare insurance, okay, we are not, okay, that guy in New York in a trench coat saying, you want to buy a watch? How much you want to pay? Okay? Don't operate that way. Okay? Focus on the value that you bring. When the client tells you no, you gotta go, what did I know to do and not do? Take some ownership. Take a little ownership. I know it's not fun to talk about, but take a little ownership. Don't blame the client for telling you no. Blame yourself a little bit about, did I do everything that I possibly could in handling their objections, their, okay, little disconnects, all right? You may be able, if you had a disconnect with a client, maybe it was a price disconnect, if you can connect that again where it's pro-client, you may still have a sale. It's not done. It's not over with. When a client is disconnected and tells you no, understand how to put those wires together, make that connection happen, and light that little Christmas tree up. Make things happy, okay? And I know it's not Christmas time, but I'm telling you, you've got to figure out where the disconnect is. Is it value? Is it price? Is it so what? Okay? If your client sits back with you, okay, and pardon me, I'm not super eloquent today, but I'm telling you, when a client sits back and kind of looks at you with those glazed-covered eyes and goes, huh, you're boring me right now, always remember, so what does this do for them? So what value am I bringing to them? You've got to understand as an insurance agent, okay, your client has a real need. You're bringing a real solution, but you've got to realize your client has an itch. You just got to know where to scratch, okay? You're going to help them if you itch the right place. You've got to figure out through a needs-based selling process, okay? You've got to understand what your client truly needs. When you find out what they need and can make your product fit perfectly like a puzzle piece, okay, and take that need that they have and complete them, protect them, and take that problem in their life and make it go away, you now made a way for them, okay, to remove the worry, the problem, okay, through your final expense life insurance policy or even your Medicare insurance policy. And the no will transform into a maybe, and that maybe can move to a yes if you don't lose heart. Don't give up. So many agents, they get told no a lot, and they just, okay, lose heart, and they don't pursue the consumer. Don't lose heart with this. Provide value. Make sure that the premium is the right premium for your consumer, okay? Focus heavy on value. Focus heavy on the so what, okay? And then you've got to have the law of large numbers on your side. Even when you've got high skill, high training, you've got your so what in order. You understand how to bring massive levels of value through proven power scripts, proven techniques. You still have to have massive levels of action. The laws of large numbers will always treat you right. It'll always help you. propel yourself to a powerful force for good, doing the good work, helping your prospects with your solutions, not somebody else who's better than you, that then comes in a week later and meets the need because they had the boldness, to train harder. They had the boldness, to say, so what this does for you, Mrs. Johnson, is boom, boom, boom. They did a better value proposition, than maybe we did, when we were a brand new agent. Learn proven techniques. Learn how to bring value for the consumer. When you bring massive levels of value, you make the premium perfect for them, and you help the client understand the so what, When a client looks at you with those eyes like, so what, it doesn't matter. You didn't drill down. You didn't lift the hood, and figure out what the real problem was. When you figure out the so what, you're going to get those sales way more than you ever, had a chance before. Focus on the so what, and you're going to be at the end of your day going, oh, wow, You're going to be shocked at the success you can have, but you've got to pierce through. You've got to have thick skin. You're still going to get told no, but trust the law of large numbers. Your skill set will increase. Your batting average is going to get better. You're going to close way more than you ever thought possible because you trained harder. You focused on the law of large numbers. You focused on bringing massive levels of value, and you weren't charging your clients more than what they can handle. So you're not going to get told, I can't afford that, because you know it's appropriate. Do what's best for your consumers. You're going to find better success ratios. You're going to find yourself as an agent enjoying it more because you're doing what the client wants you to do. You're not pushing a product. I hope this helps you. I hope you start transforming your no's into yeses. But even the best agent will get told no. We just don't get told no as much. And we transform the no's into a yes. Have a good one, you guys. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.